Hi guys, this is Reena B. George from RVG Maths and Talents. Welcome all of you. We are starting the lessons Applied Maths Class 11 CBSE. Okay, we start with the first lesson Binary Numbers Part 2. Okay, here we are doing counting using binary system. Let us see how we can count using binary system. Already we know to count in decimal system. Okay, so we are using the same method in binary system also. First let us see how we are counting in decimal system. See, we start with 0, then there are 10 digits here. Okay, then 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means we are adding 1, is it? 6, then 7, 8, 9. Now we have used all the digits, is it? We run out of the digits. So what we will do here? We are coming again to 0. Again we set 0 here. Then we add 1 on the left. Okay. Then again we are adding 1 to these numbers. That means 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, then 1, 4. That means we are adding 1. Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here also, here again we ran out of numbers, is it? So again we set this digit to 0, this place to 0. Then what we will do? Add 1 to this side. We are putting 2 here. Okay. Then again we are adding 1 to these numbers. Then we will get 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Then again here we run out of numbers. Then we set this place to 0. Then add 1 to the left side. Then we will get 30. Then again adding 1 to this number, we will get 31, etc. Like that we are going. We are counting. Then suppose we reached 95. Okay. Then next 96, 97, 98, 99. Again here we ran out of digits, so put this as 0. Here also it is run out of numbers, run out of digits, so we put 0 here. Again we are putting 1 here. Okay, this is the way we are doing. Again we are adding 1 here. Okay, like that we continues. So these are the rules for counting. See this, increase rightmost column by 1. Then remaining columns simply carry down. When you run out of digits, reset column that ran out to 0. Increase next column by 1. See, let us illustrate this. Increase rightmost column by 1. See, suppose 25. Then we are increasing the rightmost column by 1. 26, 27, okay, 28. That means increase rightmost column by 1. And remaining column simply carry down. See, this column we are carrying down, simply carrying down, is it? That means 29. Then when you run out of digit, see here what happened? We used all the digits. So we run out of digits, is it? Then what we will do? We will reset that column which run out of digits to 0. So we put this 0, or we reset this column to 0. Increase the next column by 1. That means 30. Again we are increasing rightmost column by 1. Then you will get 31, 32, is it? We are increasing the rightmost column by 1 and remaining column simply carry down 3 like this, is it? 33, 34 like that, is it? Like that it goes. When it becomes 39, what happened? Here this column run out of digits. So what we will do? We will reset this column to 0. See this, reset that column to 0. Then increase next column by 1. Increase this column by 1, that is 40. Like that we are continuing in the case of decimals. We can do the same procedure in the case of binary numbers. So let us start with 0. Then we are adding 1. Then we are getting 0, 1. Okay. Then here you can see all the digits are used. That means we ran out of digits. So we set this position to 0. Then we are adding 1 here. Okay. Then next rule is we are adding 1 here and carry down the left position. So we are getting like this. See again here you can see here it is run out of digits. So we set here as 0. Then again here we cannot add 1 here. So we set 0. Then adding 1 to the left side we are getting 100. Again we are adding 1 to this position and carrying down the left positions. So we are getting like this. The next thing again here it is run out of digits. So we are setting this to 0. Then adding 1 to the left side and carry down the remaining positions. So we are getting 110. Okay. Then we are adding 1 to this right position. So we are getting 111. Okay. Here again it is run out of digits here. So we set this to 0. Then we have to add 1 here. But we cannot add 1 here. We set 0 here. Here also we cannot add 1. We set this to 0. Then adding 1 here. Okay. Then again we are adding 1 to this rightmost position. See the rules. See the rule is this: increase rightmost position by 1. Remaining columns simply carry down. Is it? So here we are adding 1. Then we simply carry down the remaining positions. Then again next thing, here we ran out of digits. So we set this to 0. Then add 1 here. Then carry down the remaining positions. Again add 1 to the rightmost position. Carry down the remaining positions. Then again here we ran out of digits. Okay. Then we have to set 0 here. Then what is the rule here? When you run out of digits, reset column that ran out to 0. Okay, we have done that. Then increase next column by 1. Okay. That means we set this to 0. Increase 1 by the next column. So here also we cannot increase it by 1. So we set that to 0. Then add 1 here. Then carry down the other position, remaining positions. Then again add 1 to this position. Then carry down the remaining positions. Then again here you can see it is run out of 0, out of digits. So we set this position to 0. Then add 1 to the left position. Carry down the remaining positions. Then again we are adding 1 here. So we are getting 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then again you can see here it is run out of digits. So we set this to 0. Then add 1 here, but we cannot add here. So set this to 0. Then again here also it is run out of digits. So set to 0. Here also you can see it's run out of digits. So set this to 0. Then add 1 here. Okay. Then again you add 1 to the rightmost position. Then carry down the remaining positions. Then again you can see here it is run out of digits. So you set this to 0, add 1, carry down the remaining positions. Then again add 1, then carry down the remaining positions. Then again here you have to set this to 0. Then you cannot add 1 here, set this to 0, add 1 here, carry down the remaining positions. Then add 1 here, carry down remain positions. Then again it is run out of 0, out of digits. So put 0 here, add 1, then carry down remaining. Then again you add 1 here. So you will get, okay. Then again you have to set this 0. Here also set to 0. Here add 1, carry down remaining. Again add 1 here, then 0, 1, 1, carry down. Then here again it is run out of digits. So put here 0, add 1 here, carry down all the remaining portions. Then here again add 1, carry down all the other positions. So continue this. We are doing a comparison here. This is decimal system 0 up to 9. Here it is 0, 1. Okay. So it is run out of digits. So we are setting this position to 0 and adding 1 here. Here also we are doing the same thing here. Already we have explained that. Then we got 10 to 19. Here we got 1, 0 and 1, 1. Then next position, here in the case of decimals, it is 20 to 29. Here you set this 0, then here also again 0 and added 1 here. Then added 1 here, carry down the remaining positions. Okay. Then here run out of digits, so set to 0 and add 1 here. Is it? Here also it is set to 0, add 1 here, carry down this. Okay. Then next add 1, carry down this. The same way here we got 39. Okay. Here it is 1, 1, 1. Then here also it is run out of digits. So set to 0. Here also set to 0. Here also we have to set to 0. Then add 1 here. Here in the same way, here 9 set to 0. Then added 1. Then we got 40 here. Then it goes up to 49. Here we have to add 1 here. Then carry down 1, 0, 0. Again it is run out of digits. So we set to 0, added 1 here, carry down. Okay. Then again add 1, then carry down the remaining positions. So we can continue like this. Okay. So I have written this much. You try to write down all these yourself and you just find out if I have made any mistakes. You check whether any mistakes are there. Okay. I think all of you understood this. Okay. Try to do your best. Okay. Then another thing, if you are struggling with mathematics, you can join my tuition classes, or you can download notes from my website, or you can buy guidebooks using the links given in the description box. All the links are given in the description box. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.